Friday in Avalon, we'll bring the boat out back here and park it right here.
Yeah, cooler right there, over here.
Oh, they're 16 something?
That would mark it up at least 30%, bro. Inflation. Yeah, this is delivery fee. That's on the low side, too. There's a
Yeah, I think Austin looks so much like me. I think they both look like me.
Seems like it's going so slow right now.
In the water. I would take it out.
have to legally.
They let butter go on it.
When they're coming over land, they gotta drop it here.
Oh, it's slowed down right now.